Hello students, today I am going to solve the numericals of surface tension. So all of you open page 658. Here it is the question number 1 in your book. You can see here question number 1. How much work will be done in enlarging the surface area of soap bubble by 1 centimeter square? It is clear. Means you have to increase the surface area of soap bubble by 1 centimeter square. Here surface tension of the soap solution is given. Here you can see in the top here surface tension of soap solution is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. This value will be provided in the examination. So see here, what is the numerical definition of the surface tension? It is the work done per unit area. Work done per unit area in enlarging the area of the film. Means if on enlarging the area of film by delta E, W work is done. अगर क्या है फिल्म के एरिया को डेल्टा ए से बढ़ाने में W वर्क किया जाए, then what will be the surface tension? T equals to W upon delta E. And this W is what? It is basically the additional potential energy stored on the surface molecules, additional potential energy of the surface molecules. So from here you will get W equals to T into delta E. But you see here soap bubble. In the soap bubble you can see here soap molecules will be here. Soap solution molecules will be here only on the surface. Here inside there is air, outside also there is air. Means there are how many free surfaces? Free surfaces are 2. Therefore, what will be the effective increase in area? So what will be the effective increase in area? It will be twice of this effective increase in area. So you see here it will be equal to 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter square. And why it is so? Because this soap bubble is having 2 free surfaces. It is different from the liquid drop. For example, this is a liquid drop. It is filled with the liquid. Here only outer surface is the free surface. While here it is in contact of the air from both the sides, therefore it is having 2 free surfaces. So you convert it in meter square. How will you convert in meter square? 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं 10 की पावर माइनस 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके. सो व्हाट विल बी द वर्क डन? वर्क डन इन enlarging area that will be equal to T into delta E. T you already know this is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Delta E is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. That is equals to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. It's clear? So now you can see the question number 2. How much work will be done in making a soap bubble of diameter 2 centimeter? This means एक सोप बबल जिसका डायमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर है. हाउ मच वर्क विल बी डन इन मेकिंग टू दिस? इट इज क्लियर. सो सी हियर, फर्स्ट यू सी हियर हाउ मच सरफेस एरिया फिल्म इज फॉर्म्ड. हाउ मच सरफेस एरिया फिल्म इज फॉर्म्ड. So first you find out the surface area of the film, surface area of soap bubble, surface area of soap bubble. So as you know that what is the formula of surface area of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into 3.14 into radius is 1 centimeter, so 1 square means it is 12.56 centimeter square. 12.56 centimeter square. How will you convert it in meter? 12.56 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. This will be the surface area of soap bubble. It is clear. Now means we have to form a soap bubble whose surface area is this. But as already we know, here there are how many free surfaces? 2. Air, here also it is air. So as soap bubble has 2 free surfaces. Has 2 free surfaces. So what will be the total area which is formed? Total area of the soap bubble film. Therefore, total area of soap bubble film. So you can see one area is inside, other area is outside. So it will be 2 into 12.56 into 10 to the power minus 4. So when you will simplify, perhaps it is 25.12. I am checking it. 12.56 into 2. So 25.12 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So what will be the work done? Work done will be equal to T into delta A. Delta A is this much. It is clear. What is the surface tension of soap solution? So surface tension of soap solution is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 25.12 into 10 to the power minus 4. So it will be 75.36 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. This work will be done. It is clear. Now if it is asked that what is the potential energy of the molecules of the soap bubble, so it will be equal to this. It is clear. Now you see the question number 3. Question number 3 we can see here. Here all these questions are of same type. In increasing the area of the soap solution from 50 centimeter square to 100 centimeter square, it is initially 50 centimeter square, and you have to make this area equals to 100 centimeter square. So once again, what will be the net increase in area? So net increase in area will be twice of the difference of these two. Means delta A will be 2 into A2 minus A1. It is clear. That is 2 into 100 minus 50. Means it will be equal to 100 centimeter square. It is clear. And why it is so? Because the soap bubble is having 2 free surfaces. So it will be 100 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. That is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. It is clear. In the question is given that in order to increase the surface area of the soap bubble, in increasing the area of a film of soap solution from 50 centimeter square to 100 centimeter square, this work is done. It is clear. Means work done is 3 into 10 power minus 4 joule. You have to find the surface tension. It is clear. Means work done equals to, all of you see the question in your book, 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. Therefore surface tension T equals to W upon delta A. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 upon 10 to the power minus 2. So it will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule per meter square, or you can write Newton per meter also, because both the units are equivalent. Both units are equivalent. It's clear. Now you see the question number 4 here. The surface area of the soap bubble is this. What is surface area? It is given 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. How much work will be done in blowing the bubble to twice the surface area? Twice the surface area मतलब इसका 2 times हमको surface area कर देना. 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. You have to find the work done. It is clear. So it is also of same type. What will be delta A? So if you see the delta A, it will be twice of the difference of A1 and A2. 2A2 minus A1. This will be delta A. It is clear. So what will be work? W equals to T into delta A. So that you can do. I hope that there will be no problem in doing to this question. Now all of you see question number 5. How much work will be done in increasing the diameter of soap bubble from 2 centimeter to 5 centimeter? So all of you remember one thing. When it is said soap bubble means there will be 2 free surfaces. It is clear? And what will be the net increase in area? So it will be twice of final area minus initial area. It is clear? So how much work will be done in increasing the diameter of soap bubble? Initially the diameter was 2 centimeter and now it has become 5 centimeter. So first you find out the area. So you can see here R1 equals to how much? R1 equals to, you can see 2 upon 2, that is equals to 1 centimeter. R2 equals to 5 upon 2 centimeter. So what is A1? So A1 will be equal to what? Soap bubble will be spherical in shape. Spherical in shape means area will be 4 pi R1 square. So you calculate it, 4 pi R1 square, that is 1. That is 4 pi centimeter square. We will not put the value of pi. Value of pi can be placed afterwards. A2 will be equal to 4 pi R2 square. That is equals to 4 pi and what is R2? 5 upon 2 का whole square. That is 25 pi centimeter square. So what will be A? A will be 2 times of A2 minus A1. That is 2. A2 is 25 pi minus 4 pi. So this will be equals to 42 pi. 42 pi centimeter square. Now you can substitute the value of pi. So it will be 42. 22 upon 7. We will not put 3.14. And why? Because we know that 7 6 जा is 42. 7 6 जा is 42. यहाँ पर दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. So 6 2 जा 12, 1, 6 2 जा 12, 1, 13. So this centimeter square. It's clear? This is the net increase in area. It's clear? How will you change it in meter square? Already I have told. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को मीटर स्क्वायर में चेंज कर सकते हैं 10 की पावर -4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके. What is the surface tension of soap solution? It is 3 into 10 to the power -2 Newton per meter. So what will be the work done? It will be T into delta A. It is clear? So this is 3 into 10 to the power -2. Delta A is 132 into 10 to the power -4. So it will be equal to 396 into 10 to the power -6. That is 3.96 into 10 to the power -4 joule. This will be the work done. It is clear? So these are the questions which were based on the soap bubble. Now in the next video I will solve some more questions. So thank you.